Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Streitwise, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Streitwise, start by visiting their official website. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Begin filling out your personal information in the provided fields. This typically includes your full name, email address, and phone number. Ensure the email address you provide is active and accessible. Create a strong password that meets security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. You may also need to verify that you are of legal investment age. After completing the form, click on the Create Account or similar button. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Streitwise. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Streitwise website. Once redirected, log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. This can include additional personal and financial information. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary details. After completing your profile, review all entered information for accuracy. Submit your profile for review if required by Streitwise. Wait for confirmation from Streitwise regarding your registration status. Once approved, you can begin exploring investment opportunities. If you encounter any issues during the registration process, consult the help section on the website. Consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.